Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling essentials: keys, a charged remote battery, and the owner's manual. First, make sure the car is parked, engine off, and the parking brake engaged. Next, check for an interior trunk release or rear seat release. Many cars allow access through folding rear seats. Once done, fold seats down or remove the cargo cover to create a straight line of sight and reach toward the trunk latch. This saves time versus trying external tricks. Now focus on physically reaching the latch. You fold the rear seats and illuminate the trunk interior with a flashlight. If you can see the latch, use a long non-scratching tool, like a bent coat hanger or trim tool, to pull the release lever. Adjust angles slowly. If there's an emergency glow handle inside, pull it. For cars with a manual key cylinder on the trunk, insert the key and turn firmly. If the remote isn't working, this mechanical option often succeeds. Once the trunk is open, you should manually cycle the latch a few times. Lock, unlock, and operate the release to confirm it's free. Make sure to stow tools and check the remote battery and trunk fuse if the electronic release failed. Replace the battery or fuse and test again. If the latch remains jammed or you can't access interior releases, stop and call roadside assistance or a professional locksmith to prevent damage. This is the safest troubleshooting tip if simple fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.